This is a piezoelectric gas lighter. Today, let's open it up and explore the clever mechanism inside. First, let's look at the main external and internal parts. A piezoelectric gas lighter is a small tool. It creates a controlled flame, perfect for lighting candles, gas stoves, or campfires. It works using piezoelectricity. Pressure creates electricity. This electricity turns into a spark. The spark lights up the gas, creating a flame. Before moving on, here's a quick challenge. How many springs do you think are hidden inside this lighter? Drop your guess and stay till the end to find out. Now, here's the ignition switch. Pressing it releases gas and creates a spark at the same time. The gas catches fire and a flame appears. Keep pressing to keep the flame alive. Release it and the gas flow stops, extinguishing the flame. The ignition switch is easy for adults but has a child safety lock. Here's the flame adjustment lever. Move it towards the plus sign and the flame grows. Move it towards the minus sign and the flame shrinks. Look here, this is the fuel refill valve. It's used to refill the lighter with butane gas. The fuel window shows the gas level inside. Now, let's dive inside the lighter. There are two main systems, the gas release mechanism and the spark generation system. First, the gas release mechanism. Inside, there's a fuel reservoir filled with pressurized liquid butane. This is the valve body with a spring-loaded valve. Pressing the ignition lifts a lever that opens the valve. Liquid butane vaporizes into gas as it exits. The gas travels through a tube to the nozzle. There it mixes with air, ready to ignite. Inside the tank, there's a porous rod to control gas release smoothly. A disc between the rod and valve adjusts the gas flow. Moving the flame lever tightens or loosens the valve body. This slightly changes gas flow and adjusts the flame size. Now let's understand the safety lock. When pressed, it aligns a spring-loaded pin with the ignition switch. Without pressing the lock, the ignition switch can't open the valve. Now, the spark generation mechanism. The piezoelectric igniter has a small spring and a hammer inside. Pressing the ignition compresses the spring. At a point, the spring snaps the hammer onto a pin. The pin hits two piezoelectric crystals squeezed together. This sudden force generates a high voltage spark. The spark ionizes the air near the nozzle, igniting the gas. Piezo igniters can last for tens of thousands of strikes. To refill, flip the lighter upside down and press the butane canister into the valve. After refilling, let it rest for a few minutes to stabilize the gas. And finally, the lighter contains 6 springs. Did you guess correctly?